Hello and welcome to the Side One YouTube channel. My name is Ray and in this video we're going to unbox a new HD camera. So one of the issues I've had when trying to record videos on my desk with my current camera, it is a 4K camera. However, I keep running into issues with when I try to run it at 4K, its field of view is far too wide for what I'm trying to record. So I'm having to record at 1080p to narrow the field of view down. So I got this camera. It wasn't very expensive at all, in the hope it's a 4K camera. But what I'm hoping to do is reduce the field of view while keeping high resolution and high recording video quality. So it doesn't actually need any drivers to be installed to be used. It does say, however, you can use this with the OTG support that's found in Android devices. If you install the app USB camera onto your Android device, such as your phone or your tablet, and use an OTG converter, you can connect this to your phone as well, which I didn't see in the original ad, which is interesting. But on the back it does say it supports Linux, Windows, Android and Chrome OS. Interesting, it doesn't support Apple. Compatible with most video software, YouTube, F-Live, Skype and FaceTime. So I'm only wanting to use it with YouTube, so that'll be fine. Now, I got this through AliExpress and I think it was around $79. I'll put it on the screen when I look it up. 8 megapixel USB box camera, SU100-MB. Now there were actually two. There was a 4 megapixel and the 8 megapixel. I went for the 8 megapixel. They had 3 options of each of those. You could get a fixed lens, I think it was 6 millimeters, 2 point something to 12 millimeter, and then the 5 to 50 millimeter. So this is the 5 to 50 millimeter. It's got a lens cap on it, and it's got these 2 adjustments and a third one in the middle here. So this one, I believe, opens and closes an aperture in it to reduce the amount of light coming in. So if you're shooting in a very bright area, you can close the aperture down to stop it from overloading the sensor. This one here, unlock the little lock on it, and you can adjust it for tele or wide. So I'll be using it more for the tele side to get in closer to what I'm looking at. And then you've got the focus on this one. So it's a manual focus, not an auto. So let's hook it up and see what it looks like through the capture. Okay, so I've got this hooked up now. It's actually mounted nearly twice the height that this camera was mounted. This camera is a Jabara 4K camera. It actually gets pretty warm in operation, and I've been using that for well over a year now to record my videos. The recording is being made in 4K at the moment from this new camera, whereas I was only recording 1080p on this one. And I can actually read most of this sitting on my desk. Now it doesn't have autofocus on it, so I'm going to have to manually focus it. I need to modify my mount a little bit more so it's more stable and doesn't move as much. But it does appear to work. So manufacturer in Shenzhen, I can't pronounce that. I will put it in the description along with all the other information about it. Well, if you like these videos, don't forget to click on like, subscribe, ring that notification bell. It's a form of support that helps the channel a great deal and costs you absolutely nothing. If you'd like to support the channel further, I do have a Patreon account and YouTube membership, and you can join my VIP patrons Go Lucky, Jeff Jerd, Cariz Cotini, and my builder patrons Al Morales 45, Andrew Cardone, Airgar 69, and my YouTube member Joel Huxwell in helping to support the channel. All my YouTube members and patrons get these videos a week early before general release. If you've got any questions, feel free to drop a comment below or drop into the Discord. There will be a link in the description, and ask your question in there. If I can't answer it, someone else might be able to. And we'll see you in the next video.